Has this ever happened to you? You finally get that SMT connector, so now you can prototype your project. But now you've got to figure out how to hand solder something like this, and it's not going to be easy. That is, unless you have the SmartBoard SMT connector board. The SmartBoard SMT connector board allows you to place the component easily, and solder is already on the board, making it very easy for you to hand solder the component. A little bit of solder flux, and then you basically put the tip of the soldering iron in each of the grooves and push forward until you touch each of the legs on the SMT connector. With a SmartBoard is easy, it's impossible for you to create a short. I think you get the idea. So rather than hand soldering this whole thing, let us show you now how you would connect this to the rest of your circuit. Each of these pads is connected to the through holes. All you have to do is hand solder some headers into the through holes, and you can then connect this to whatever circuit you're connecting to.